if you niggas stay the fuck around.
How y'all been? I know it's been a minute. It's been a solid ass minute. But I'm steady trying to get back on the grind, trying to get back on the hustle. I've been gone. I'm back. I had to recollect myself, get my thoughts together, get my life right, back on track. I had to get my bread up. Matter of fact, I had to stack up on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Most of y'all can understand that. Most of y'all are young, so you wouldn't be able to understand that. But eventually, as you grow older, you will. You know what I'm saying? It's all a part of life. Everybody's got to do it. You're gonna do it eventually. You know what I'm saying? But today I figured I'd make a YouTube video. You know, just react to something. You know, get back on the grind, get the momentum going. You know, I'm probably gonna drop this one, and next week I'll drop another one, depending on how good it's doing. If you guys got any more requests, you know, you drop down woo woo. I want you to react to this. Prodigious, you know what I'm saying? I want to see your reaction on this. I'll be like, all right, bet. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna react to this because you asked me to. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I'm on. I don't know. I want to react to some music videos, but shit, if I do that, I'm just afraid I'm gonna get copyrighted. You know what I'm saying? Cause I remember I reacted to XXX Tentacion's his music videos, and I got copyrighted. I tried posting that like 4 times, and it kept getting taken down. I was like, damn. But drop any advice down that I could use so I could start reacting to music videos, because that's what I really want to do. You know what I'm saying? But today, you know, it's almost Halloween. You know what I'm saying? It's almost Halloween. Halloween's coming up pretty soon. It's coming up in like 10 days, you know what I'm saying? 9 days. Well, like 9 days when I drop this video. But it's coming soon. So I figured, why not react to like a scary video, you know what I'm saying? Alright, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Hold up, should I put headphones in? Nah.
Top 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. A cry for help. This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera. The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker. In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her. Now, I boosted the audio on this clip and, well, just take a listen.
Oh, hell no. Oh, man. What are you doing? Bro, I instantly whoop.
Some
911.
strange voice in the wall
Actually,
seems to be crying
I don't
out
know
for
what I
help.
would do, to be honest. I'd probably
The
call
woman is so
911.
freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
Yeah.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just creatively hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there.
Oh, she did.
So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help? Let me know what you think down in the comments.
That sounds like a dude.
No
Like a little
treat.
boy.
The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can. But this next video didn't take place on Halloween.
I'm getting
It
freaked
happened
out.
in the middle of a sweltering
Hell
summer
no.
day in August in
I'm
San
home
Antonio,
alone. You know what I'm
Texas.
saying? Anything could pop up behind me. Oh, let me know if you see anything behind me. Bro.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
What the hell?
Trick or treat. Smell my feet. I keep blue stuff. Falling from the sun off. It's a sea life. Lucky truck. Not needed. I like to read it.
The bizarre masked man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state. Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own.
Probably had a
Surprise visit.
strap tucked in that bitch.
On a
about to
warm
run up
sunny
in
day
there.
in May,
You know
Gerald
what I'm saying?
Haywood was visiting a friend's home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip. But I'll explain that later.
I don't want to see this. Oh, don't fall, boy. Oh!
Kurt, take me to the hospital.
What?
Take me to the hospital. Get that bitch out of face.
Oh.
Get out of face.
That bitch.
Hey, your mailbox. Right there. No, I'm not.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light. When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye. Luckily, the snake is not venomous, and the bite above his eye isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics. And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
Ow, Kurt, take me to the hospital.
Bro, he just
Take me to the
got
hospital.
treated.
Get that bitch out of face.
That snake treated his
Get out
ass.
of face. Hey, your mailbox.
I'm hearing shit.
Right there. No, I'm not.
Ghost caught on doorbell. YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera.
Shut up.
At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion.
Damn, I'm
When he
ugly
first
as
reviewed
hell.
the tape,
What?
he just noticed this,
This is why I don't got a
which just
girlfriend.
appears to be a spider web
I'm
moving
ugly,
in the
boy.
wind. But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this.
See that?
It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off. And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light?
Oh, I see that.
In
face.
another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
Oh shit, yeah, that's a ghost. Is that a person? That's a little boy.
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house.
I don't think that's a ghost.
And then she just sort of walks off into the dark.
I think that girl was just high.
Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white.
La Llorona.
But it could also simply just be a prank. You decide. One night. Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house. She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without the lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
The hell is this dude cheesing about? Oh, his ass is trying to get in there.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handles, and he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found. It's not all bad. After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature.
Bunch of weird shit.
So I wanted to include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity. Katie Egermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Oh, hell yeah. That's respect.
The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door. He tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat. Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to submit or suggest a video...
Gang! You know what I'm saying? That shit was lit. I was kind of getting freaked out. I'm saying this like on some fucking weird shit. But if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I should have told you guys to subscribe in the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna tell you right now, subscribe. If you enjoyed this, like this. You know, doing this for you guys and for my own entertainment purposes. I'm gonna start getting back on this shit. On Brian, on everything. One love. But that's what I'm gonna be doing, so stay tuned until next time. More videos are gonna be dropping. You know what I'm saying? New notifications. Phone's gonna be blowing up. The Prodigious dropped a new video. You know what I'm saying? All that type of shit. But if you enjoyed this, like the video. Whole lot of gang shit. Subscribe, join the family. Whole lot of gang shit. And we gonna be out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Catch y'all in the next time. Slime game, nigga.